I'm going to show you a quick, easy way to create one-line functions in Python. These are very helpful for computational functions. To create a lambda function, type the name of a variable. We will do f equals lambda, a name of another variable. We will do x, colon, then use the second variable to create a function. We did x squared here. Now to call the function, we write the name of it with the value in parentheses to plug in as x. So 5 squared is 25 and 3.22 squared is 10.368. In this next example, we create a lambda function with an if statement. We type it the same way as we did before, but we write if. This function will give 1 or a negative 1, depending on the value we give it. This has endless applications when coding. So when we type 45, since that's greater than or equal to 10, it will give 1, and 9 will give negative 1 since it's less than 10, and so on. For this last example, we will import Numpy as NP. This is a three-dimensional example. We define a function the same way, only this time when we write the actual function part, we treat x as if it is a vector with three values. X bracket 0 bracket is the first entry of the vector, and so on. This function will sum the values of our vector and require that we put a vector of size 3 into the function. So let's create one here. Put in 3, 7, and 4. So when we put this into our function f, it will just sum those and spit out another array with 14. Lambda functions can also be plotted with matplotlib. Check the description for a video on how to plot lambda functions. So there you have it. That is how you use lambda functions in Python.